Welcome back, Crammers, to question 9. BCD is an isosceles triangle with BD equal to CD. ABC is a straight line. ABDE is a quadrilateral. Work out the value of x and give a reason for each stage of your working. So here, first off, I can see that 3 angles of this quadrilateral are given. Since this is a right angle, we know this is 90 degrees. If we can find this angle and subtract it from 180, we can then find this angle. Now that we know that this is an isosceles triangle, we know that angle B is equal to angle C. So we can then find what angle X is. So first off, we have 90 degrees here. We know a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Now this is made up of 52 plus 112 plus 90 plus X. If I pull up the calculator here, I can see that 52 plus 112 plus 90 gives us 254. 254 plus x is equal to 360. So if I bring this to the other side, we have 360 minus 254 is equal to x. So that means 360 minus our answer gives us 106. X is equal to 106. But that means that this angle is 106 degrees. Now that we know that this is 106 degrees, we know that a straight line is 180 degrees. We can then find this angle. And because a triangle has 180 degrees, if we can subtract this angle and this angle, we'll find what x is. So we know that angle B is equal to 180 minus 106, or it's just about 80 minus 6, which is 74. So this is 74. Now, that since this is an isosceles triangle, that means that angle C, this is also equal to angle C, this is equal to angle B, this is also 74. Now we can find what x is because a triangle has 180 degrees. So 180 is equal to 74 plus 74 plus x. We can then combine that. We have 180 is equal to 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 8 is 148 plus x. We bring this to the other side. X is equal to 180 minus 148. And if we use our calculator one last time, we have 180 minus 148 gives us 32. X is equal to 32 degrees. 32. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.